Hello, my name is Elizabeth Kief, and this is my project Zen Pool for my final in LA 478K Landscape Parametrics using processing. My project is based on making ripples on the screen as if you were throwing a rock into a pool. As you can see, using the mouse and a couple of different keys on the board, you can make up to 4 ripples at a time, which expand and bounce off the side of the screen until they disappear completely. Each of these ripples is made up of a different class. You can see ripple 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each class is very similar, all basing around the same variable type, which is the radius. The radius is important not only to the growth rate, but also to the actual parts of the ripple. As you can see, there's 3 different ellipses being used. There's a small one, a medium one, and a large one. Which each have their own set of variables related to the radius. The large one has just the radius, while the medium one's offset by 20, and the small one is actually offset by 50, so they grow at the same rate, but separated from each other. The other main variables which define each ellipse is the centered point, which is actually x and y coordinates from the mouse. These coordinates are saved in a bigger array, which is up to 4, and that was actually based on the work of Ben Norvitz on open processing, which helped define how you could actually save an x and y coordinate into an array using mouse click. So each time you click the mouse, you actually are able to separate it from following the mouse while still being centered on it. Mouse clicked is also the way you can refresh each ripple using keys on the keyboard R, E, W, and Q. So when you click each of these keys at the same time as clicking the mouse, you refresh the particular class that it relates back to, ripple 1, 2, 3, or 4. This is actually what allows you to have multiple ripples at the same time on the screen that grow but don't interfere with each other. The final bits of code I'm going to go over relate to the aesthetic parts to make it look more like water. For example, the strokes actually change color over time. As you can see, they're each a different tint of blue, based again on the ever important radius. So when it's after a certain number, it'll be a certain color. Each circle itself uses different numbers, so our offset, as you can see, the middle circle goes up to 315, while the large one goes only to 300. The third one actually has yet another number. The final aesthetic piece is actually a JPEG image, which I wanted to use to create a more natural water setting and give it that Zen pond illusion. Thank you for watching.